Hello guys. I know that most of you use charts. Some people use the charts of your broker, some they use private chart companies, and others they use whatever chart is there. So for me, like for USA traders and for Canadian traders, we have the chart that you see online that I use always in my trades and in YouTube and in my teaching. So that's why whenever you see my chart, you find it clean. There is nothing in it except for the few lines that I use. Okay? The purchase line, which is green, the blue line, which is the resistance line, the red line, which is the stop loss, and sometimes I use a white line for the day I bought, and the support line. Sometimes I use red, or I use what we call I use yellow or another color. So to keep the chart clean, you should not use indicators and moving averages. I see a lot of people, they send me charts to look at, and they begin learning from me. So the first thing I ask them is to clear the chart from anything they used before. They should use the same chart as I use, clean. There is nothing in it except for the lines that shows the most important thing for you. Okay, where you bought the stock, or which day, or what is your stop loss. These are the most important information from the chart. So try to check my charts through my YouTube channel and try to do the same. If you use your broker chart, try to see if you can use lines. At least you can do the same as me. I understand, although this chart is free, but most of the brokers, they don't have powerful a chart like the free one online. And there is a paid version, but I don't use the paid version because I don't need it. I don't need it for anything else, because I don't use their indicators or other stuff, or moving averages or other stuff. I use only what you see online. Even the volume, I don't use it. When I see the volume, it is just to see if the bid and the ask are wide or less, if there is volume or there is less volume. That's why I use volume. But in general, I don't use it. But I put it there just to see the daily volume. Okay, if the stock before I buy it, I know beforehand if the bid and ask is too wide, or it is limited. Okay, because most of the time I use the stocks that are 1 cent. Sometimes I use 2 cents or 5 cents, 10 cents, depending. When I find a good stock with low volume, I buy it sometimes also, because I have more risk, but I will have more money, because most of the day traders, they don't find this stock yet. If they find it, it will be volatile and it will have high volume. Okay, so please, and if you want a good education and a free training, please go to my website, which is Djellala.net. Okay, which you see here. Okay, Djellala.net. You go to my website and you find free training, and you just go to the free training, and you will find the free training. You find the videos, and you see how to set up the chart, how to look at it. Even if you are an international trader, just use it in order to understand how things work, because the chart is clean. It's for education, and here in USA and in Canada, we use it for trading, for true trading. For me, believe it or not, I use the plan of the trade from the chart, and then I go and buy the stock, and then put stop loss, and then I close the account, and I come back to the chart. So always I look at the chart, because I don't need to go to the broker, except when I want to change the stop loss, or to exit, or to do something else, or to buy more stocks. Okay, so thank you very much. please take the free training and enjoy the best chart online. Thank you very much.